Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it to the video by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left, so here we are. Now let's move to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. From here let's move to the left to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings, and in the video mode we have the video settings at the first place. As you can see, at the second position we have the image stabilization option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on, like that, as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.